Ever feel your head spin after pages of links? Meet AI mode, Google's chat-style search that claims to calm that spin. Hang on 2 minutes and learn how it can help your mind. AI mode sits inside Google Search. It runs on the Gemini 2.5 model for text, voice, and photos in one place. Ask once, then ask again. Your chat stays open. Phone first, open the Google app, tap the beaker, flip AI mode on. On a laptop, hit the same beaker in Chrome and switch it. Miss the old look? Tap the 3 dots and pick Turn off AI overviews. Try a big ask. Plan a calm week in Kyoto for $1,500. AI mode breaks that monster job into tiny steps and sends back one clear plan. That saves mental work. Studies show voice helpers cut cognitive load. Use live search to talk while you walk. Answers speak right back. Soon you can show the camera a plant and ask, "Safe for pets?" Over a third of mental health questions now get an AI summary. Google links trusted sites like NIH to lower bad advice risk. Still, AI can slip. Some answers go wrong. Use the links and see a pro for real care. Why does it help the brain? Too much info jams working memory and spikes stress. A short, spoken answer lifts that jam. Step-by-step plans also cut decision stress. Quick, healthy tips. Ask one clear question. Read the sources before you act. Set a timer. Take breaks if tense. Call a helpline, not just search in a crisis. So does AI mode calm or clutter your head? Tell me below, like and subscribe for more mind-smart tech.